My name is MOSIRIA, Chief Officer in charge of environment. Leo hii tuko QUIVER ya KILIMANI. Tulikuwa tumeissue several notices za kuambia kwamba wanapiga kelele inaumiza neighbors. Wanapiga muziki inaumiza neighbors. Kuna residentials kwa hapa nyuma na hapa kando ni DOD. Mahali ambayo inahitaji kusikiwa na kelele sana. So na state house iko hapa juu. Tumekuja kufunga. Tumepeana notice of intended closure. Notice of intended closure. Tu ile kitu tunaomba wananchi wa Nairobi. Hatutaruhusu mtu mmoja anafanya biashara kando ya State House, kando ya DOD, Department of Defense, kando ya residential, anaumiza wananchi. So leo hii wache ikuwe kama example, serve as an example. Kitabu ambayo kwa hatua tumefunga na pia our business is not to kill someone's dream. Our business is to advise. Tuliwapatia notice waeke soundproof. Hawakuwajibika. Tukakuja tena tukawaongelesha, tukawaambia kelele, neighbors wamecomplain. Kuna notices kadhaa na mabarua za neighbors, hawakuwajibika. Sasa leo tumekuja kufunga. We have to restore order. Tusipo restore order, hakuna mahali tutaelekea as a country. Tukiendelea kutumia impunity na people in position, we are not going to sort the mess in this country. This is the time to sort the mess we are facing as a country. We have acted and we are calling upon the members of the public. Mtuelekeze mahali pia wanachafua kama hapa, tutakuja tuchukua tu.
My name is MOSIRIA. I'm the Chief Officer in charge of Environment, Nairobi City County. I want to say that on Friday and Saturday, we had a crackdown on those entertainment joints, that's clubs and bars and restaurants that are causing noise pollution in Nairobi. What I'll say is that we have so many entertainment joints in residential areas, and the people are operating them. They are operating with impunity. They have decided that they are going to open loud music, play loud music, interfering with the residents. For example, in Kiambu Road, there's a resident who just told me that his own mother could not stay in his good house, which has a good ambience. He has decided to take her to stay with his daughter outside Kiambu Road because there is an entertainment joint which plays loud music. They could not even sleep. They are having hard times. The mother is old and she's sick. So you can imagine what we have subjected our people into. We have young children, school-going children, who cannot even do assignments because there is a church which is in the residential area. They have installed so many speakers. And when you walk into such a church, you'll find 5 people singing, making noise. My question is, if you are worshiping the Almighty God, whom we all worship, why can't you just keep quiet and do your prayers in silence? If you want to sing, why do you have to put so many speakers? What are we advertising? Because people are sleeping at midnight. You're playing loud music. Children cannot sleep. So my humble request and my appeal to owners of bars and restaurants, clubs, places of worship, with due respect, let us regulate the music we play.